Hello, hope you are well. So now setup is done. So your main work area is Mailwizz. So here you find the Mailwizz URL. It's backend. So backends means your Mailwizz setting like delivery server, bounce server, something domain tracking if you want to send from different domain. If you want to set other option, you have find some settings. Here is main important thing is backend delivery server. So normally after install, I already working and added delivery server for every client like is active one delivery server. So then next part is mail with customer area. No need to doing anything here. Just customer area. Customer areas are just simple like only domain and then just login. After logging, you can see it's your customer area. So customer area is the main thing. You need to create a contact list and a campaign. So let's create a test list like new. Just fill this information with yours. Just like test. Test. That's my name. Test. Just select your I just randomly select and back to list. So here you find this one list. So here you can add contact list manually. Just click your list and you can see here a subscriber option. So you can add some subscriber manually like this. I added. You can add and also here is main thing is you need to upload your whole list. So just go to your list like this your list name, and once you go to list name you can see the tools option and then you can import. So you need to import the csv file. So you must be follow the csv file like one column url and another. Okay, let's create a test campaign. Just click create new and test campaign list, test list. And save next. Just here you need to from email address, and here this like this first name and last name. You can see all available tag here, and your subject line, and save next, and like after done, just edit your content. Thanks. What I'll let you see. Like this, and save next. And last part, you need to send at when you want to send, like 11. This is set up your like after few minutes, like after 5 minutes, campaign will send. Just send and schedule campaign. So it takes 5 minutes to send your campaign. So I will pause the video and come back soon. Okay, 5 minutes over. Let's check email is receiving or not. So check our email. Yeah, it's a receive and inbox. See, just few minutes ago. 0 minute ago. Okay, let's say someone you send someone to, then someone reply like yes what, and when someone sent you the mail you will see from round clip. So it's our web mail. So just refresh it. We'll find it. And also is another part is your cPanel account. This is cPanel account. So cPanel account means here you can see something like you can also create email address here also. Okay, and see it will receive mail, reply mail. Okay, and it's your SMTP dashboard. So sometime you find this network here, so you need to reload it. Then you can send how much sent out and or okay. This is a simple part. Like you can add from a new mailbox here, I already added some email address.